Welcome back to the worst internet beer reviewer ever.
What an idiot.
On this beautiful 90-degree day in summer. We have a Duke Law Sweet Baby Jesus chocolate porter, I guess it's called, chocolate peanut butter porter. I know a lot of you guys out here have had this. She comes in at 6.2% alcohol by volume, and she's out of Ewing, New Jersey. I did read the can. That's all about I found on here beside the government warning. And to give a little talk on here, a classic porter with heavenly aromas of flavors of roasted malt chocolate and rich peanut butter with a smooth, dry finish. One sip and you will exclaim the name, Duke Law. So there's your can art. Let's get this into our glass and see what we got here. Oh, that was hard to open for some reason. And I'll give a born on date as soon as I get it empty. So it's pouring as a chocolate porter should. Nice head. I'm not going to be able to get it all into the warm glass because it's out here in the summertime. We'll let that head simmer a minute. We'll get some aromas off of this. Well, of course, you get your chocolate. Not a real rich chocolate, but yet a chocolate all in itself. Slight aroma of peanut butter, I guess. I make my own peanut butter stout. This is a porter. I can't wait to taste this because I think next on my list is the peanut butter stout. So, it's a 2-finger head. Maybe 3, fading, pillowcase, small bubbles. The aromas are of slight chocolate and peanut butter. So let's get on with it. Wow. I think it needs to be colder. I don't know if the wife got this warm. She's nodding. She's in the pool. So, I mean, stouts and porters can be served warmer, but this is a little bit too warm for me. Shame on her. But otherwise, perfect mix of peanut butter and chocolate. More so on the peanut butter side. You get a little dryness at the end there. But like I say, I'm the worst beer reviewer out there ever. Don't take my word for it.
Yeah, they solamente para
Yeah, you might want to pick this one up. It's better served a little colder, I do believe, because this is not that chilled. I'm going to finish it. She's definitely a good beer. On a scale of 1 to 10, oh, the smell is awesome. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give that a good 8, solid 8. It's smooth. It's not like a stout can be, very astringent. This is not astringent, and I don't see no born on date on the can. So that I like to see. We don't know how old this beer actually is. No date at all. Nope. So we don't know how fresh this one is. So until next time, from the worst beer reviewer ever, internet beer reviewer ever.
Come on, man.
Stay thirsty. Try good beers. Why wouldn't you? Proust. So this is the worst beer reviewer ever. We're drinking our beer out of a straw.